Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Meta Gen 2 glasses step by step. Now this quick tutorial will help you set them up and start using the main features easily. First of all, you need to fully charge the Meta 2 glasses using the charging case that you get in box. So make sure that both the glasses and the case have enough battery before setup. After that, you need to install the Meta Companion application on your phone. Then sign in to your Meta account. You just have to turn on the Bluetooth and follow the on-screen steps to pair the glasses with your phone. Once connected, wear the glasses and use the touch area on the side to control them. You can also tap to play or pause the audio and the swipe to adjust the volume. To use the voice commands, just say wake phrase and then give the command like taking a photo, recording a short video, or asking a question. You can also view the photos and the videos taken by the glasses directly inside the application. And you can also manage the settings like privacy, audio, and notifications. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.